Welcome back to the MonoVM YouTube channel. If you're passionate about technology and web development, or just want to learn more about managing your online presence, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to point a domain name to the IP address of your VPS server in your MonoVM panel. This is a crucial step in making your website accessible to the world. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Let's get started. In this video, we will cover what is DNS and why do we need to understand DNS basics, how to gather your domain and VPS information, step-by-step guide for updating DNS records with your domain registrar. Last but not least, we'll help you verify the setup and present your creativity and magic to the world. To begin, let's briefly discuss DNS, or Domain Name System. Think of DNS as the Internet's phone book. It translates human-friendly domain names, like example.com, into IP addresses that computers use to identify each other on the network. When you point your domain name to your VPS's IP address, you're essentially telling DNS to direct visitors to your server. Simple enough, right? Now, before we proceed, let's ensure you have everything you need. A registered domain name. A registered domain name is the unique address users type into their browsers to access your website, such as example.com. It must be purchased through a domain registrar, and it serves as your site's primary identifier on the internet, making it crucial for branding and online presence. You can easily register your domain with MonoVM and leave the rest to us. Link in the caption. The IP address of your VPS server. The IP address of your VPS server is a numerical label assigned to your virtual private server, such as 192.168.1.1. This address is used to identify and locate your server on the internet, allowing users to connect to your website or application hosted on the VPS. Access to your domain registrar's control panel. Access to your domain registrar's control panel is essential for managing your domain name settings. This online interface provided by your registrar lets you configure DNS records, renew your domain, update contact information, and perform other administrative tasks to ensure your domain is properly linked to your server and remains active. So, step 1 is to log into your domain registrar's control panel. Here we use MonoVM Dashboard because it is straightforward and easy to use. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Domain section. Here you can see your domain name and some quick details, like the expiration date. Then, click on the Domain Details button to access more details for your domain. For example, you can see the status of your domain here, which is active in this case, and also the Verify status. You can also view summaries of IPv4, IPv6, CNAME, and others in this section. So let's go to next section. Here, you'll need to add a new record or IPv4. This record maps your domain name to your VPS's IP address. Click on a records and enter your IP address in the IPv4 box. After entering the IP address, save the changes. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, usually anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. During this time, your domain may go through a transition period where it could be intermittently accessible. In the next screen, enter the IP address in the IPv4 box again, and in the host box, enter www. After these steps, click on Save Changes. Now we have checked everything. In the top of the page, you will see the All Records Updated Successfully prompt to verify that your domain is correctly pointing to your VPS. You can use tools like DNS Checker or simply run a ping command in your terminal or command prompt to see if your domain resolves to the correct IP address. If your changes aren't taking effect, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Double-check your entries for any typos. Verify that all DNS entries are correct without any typos. Even a small mistake in the IP address or domain name can prevent your domain from pointing correctly to your VPS. Ensure there are no conflicting DNS records. Check for and remove any conflicting DNS records that might override or interfere with your new settings. Conflicting records can cause your domain to resolve incorrectly. Verify that your VPS is running and accessible. Ensure that your VPS is online and reachable. If the server is down or experiencing issues, your domain will not connect properly, even if DNS settings are correct. And there you have it. You've successfully pointed your domain name to your VPS server. By doing this, you've taken a significant step toward getting your website online. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm curious, what kind of projects are you working on with your VPS? Share your experiences and any challenges in the comments below. Our community is here to help and support you. If you have any specific questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching and being part of our MonoVM community. Your engagement and enthusiasm inspire us to keep creating the best content for you. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and happy hosting!